Have you ever wondered how many eggs you can actually eat in a day without harming your health? For years, people believed eating too many eggs was dangerous, but new research is revealing something surprising. For many healthy people, eating multiple eggs every day may actually support better health. So the real question is, how many eggs can you safely eat before it becomes a problem? But before we get to the number, there's something important most people don't know about eggs. Why eggs got a bad reputation. For decades, eggs were blamed for raising cholesterol and increasing the risk of heart disease. But many older studies made a big mistake. They didn't study eggs alone. Instead, they looked at meals like eggs with bacon, pancakes, sugary drinks, and processed foods. So when health problems appeared, eggs were blamed along with everything else on the plate. Today, newer and better research tells a different story. Eggs are actually considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Why eggs are so nutritious? A single egg contains a powerful combined combination of nutrients your body needs. Eggs provide high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins like A, D, E, and several B vitamins, important minerals for immunity and metabolism. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient that helps support brain health, memory, and nerve function. Another reason eggs are special is that the nutrients in them are highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them very efficiently. What about cholesterol? This is the biggest concern people have. Yes, eggs contain cholesterol, but here's something important. Your body actually produces cholesterol on its own every day. When you eat cholesterol from food, your body usually adjusts by producing a little less. For most healthy people, research shows that dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly raise harmful cholesterol levels. In fact, the real contributors to heart problems are often things like excess sugar, highly processed foods, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy cooking oils. So how many eggs per day is safe? For most healthy adults, studies suggest that 2 to 3 eggs per day is a safe and nutritious amount. Eggs can help you feel full longer, support muscle health, and provide steady energy throughout the day. Some active individuals or athletes may even eat 4 or more eggs daily as part of a balanced diet. The key is to combine eggs with whole foods like vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. The healthiest ways to eat eggs. How you cook eggs can also make a difference. Healthier cooking methods include boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs cooked on low heat. Try to avoid burning or overcooking eggs because very high heat can damage some of their healthy fats. Eggs are simple, affordable, and packed with nutrition. For most people, eating 2 to 3 eggs per day can be a healthy part of a balanced diet. The real focus shouldn't be fearing eggs. It should be limiting ultra-processed foods and excess sugar. Because when eaten the right way, eggs can be one of the healthiest foods on your plate.